Alright guys, in today's video with TruCUT RDWorks, we're going to be looking at your AI and DST import settings. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So, today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder that this is a mini series on the file para settings or the file parameters settings. And I will also leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now, in today's settings, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the AI and DST import settings. Now, in order to do that, we want to go to our file para settings, which can be found here under our main menu. Go to config, and then we go to file para settings. Now, once we've opened that, you guys will see here under the last area we covered in the previous video, which was the DXF units. We're going to be looking at these two and the one under that. Now, the first ones we have here is for AI files, which, if you guys can remember, that is for After Effects. I keep saying that. Adobe Illustrator. So that is like a vector type program. So it's quite popular for designing your graphics in this, and then you'll import it into a laser cutter program like TruCUT RDWorks. Now, from these settings, we've got import image in AI file. As you can imagine what that means, we'll look if there was any images inside your AI file. So let's say you've set up your engraving inside your AI file, then you can simply just import it with it. It is already enabled by default. And then we have also the enable import AI full contour, which will then just enable the full contour for you. But like I mentioned, by default, these two are enabled, so you can simply just leave this unless you want to remove some of these options. Then under that, we've got the import DST support layer. Now, what this will do, this will be for DST and LSP files. This will enable the AutoCAD 2005 field information layer, you can say. So what that layer holds is like the drawing's name, the date, and the time last saved. So if you want that information also, you can enable this, and then it will bring in that layer as well. So it's basically like an information layer with relevant data to the actual file you're importing. Now, as you can imagine, it's not that relevant in most cases, and that's why it is left off. But yeah, that concludes this little video on the AI and DST settings. If we had to head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and also you can isolate your search on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, let us know for which software, and then we'll do our best to try and make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.